This itself is around 30 मीटर.
थोड़ा पीछे
Yes, exactly.
अभी करिए उसको सर्दी में भी कीजिए या क्या स्नोफॉल कैसा है?
Moderate है.
करिए सर्दी में भी कंटिन्यू करें काम.
वैसे मैंने खुद उनसे बात की. उन्होंने कहा है मैं दिसंबर में आऊँगा खुद. We'll get the proper tournament done.
सर आई टॉक टू
तो सर उसकी चिंता नहीं करिए, वो हम अच्छे से करेंगे.
ट्रैफिक का हवाई में जाएगा. ट्रैफिक नहीं जैसे आप रोड पर ध्यान दो.
इधर से अलग से घंटे
इधर से घंटी लग रही है.
लगे यहाँ
अभी
लगे
कितनी एंट्री लगी है इसकी?
सर 2 घंटे लगे हैं इसके में.
तो 4 क्यों नहीं हो सकती? श्रीनगर लौट जाते हैं.
आ चुके हैं, सबको पता है.
यहाँ पे बिग इमरजेंसी वन टनल कैन वर्क फॉर escape for the other. That is one system. But you must allow the army petroleum vehicles, civil petroleum vehicles. Complete control for regulations and because this is a normal existing road hai. This is river.
Now we have, this is how the existing national highway is going. Now this is your line.
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने काट लिया 30,000 रुपये. बोला सर लॉकडाउन था, वही गाड़ी नहीं. 15 अक्टूबर बोला आपने.
15 नवंबर
रोड कर दिया. 4 फ्रंट मिल जाएंगे आपको जोजिला में. आप अगले साल खोल दें. मशीन एंड मैन पावर यू आर
They are very comfortable.
कंफर्टेबली मोबिलाइज.
इसमें 2 ब्लास्ट होगा.
Which one isn't was
It's improved, but what we expected is still coming.
So this is single tube
Yes, sir.
bi-directional 2 lane. Huh?
Yes, sir. अच्छा पीछे से
Short thread वगैरह.
Sonamarg to this place. We will keep road open.
हो गया रेडी कर देंगे. हर बार
please.
I'll cover it. This is the Zojila project, which has got about 18 kilometers of a road structure and 14 kilometers of a tunnel. We're standing in front of the tunnel. You can see the portal right behind you. So as far as the road work is concerned, we've already completed about good about 11 to 12% of the road work, which has got a large number of bridges to come up. There are a large number of avalanche protection structures coming up. And as far as tunnels are concerned, there are 2 small tunnels in this approach road, in which already about, you can say about 15% of digging has already been completed. And as far as the main tunnel is concerned, we are at the west portal. There is similarly an east portal on the Ladakh side. Work has started from both the sides. Though the contract was awarded last year in October, even though that we had a very wholesome winters, but in spite of that, in winters the work has taken place. It has been pushed very strongly by a MD who is visiting this project as of today, and he's taken a review after his last visit in February, and he's quite contented with the way the work is going, because we've done more than 200 meters on the eastern portal side, and the western portal, which has just started, where we just took a blast today, the work is already about 50 meters. So the work is going in full swing. Very soon, I think Kashmir Valley will have the enjoyment of having been connected with Ladakh. Just give us a few years from now, and we'll have this.
Project is supposed to be over in 2026. We'll assure you that this project will be finished well before time, many years before time. It might take us 1 or 2 years before that we'll finish it. The speed is going on well. This is my third visit to Zojila here. Once I visited in July. At that time the project was not yet awarded. In October, our Honourable Minister Mr. Gadkari took the first blast. Since then the project has taken up the speed, and we will finish these 2 tunnels of Neergrar next year only, just next working season. And the main tunnel of Zojila we will try and give as early as possible, maybe next year after next. So we will not have to wait for 2026. That good year can be 2024, can be 2023, depends on the kind of rock that we come across. But yes, one thing is certain, we will finish it well before that. There is a rock quality issue. I will request Brigadier Combo to tell us the rock quality issue on the...
See, rock quality issues are very pertinent. They do happen because the entire area has got 2 different qualities, Zojila trap and the Panjal trap. Like in this tunnel which you are standing at, for a large distance we had to do everything mechanically. Blast could not be taken, but rock structure has improved. So we are very confident that with the better rock structure which has been obtained now, we'll be able to get the progress much faster, and that's what is there as per the exploratory tests have also been done. So we are all prepared for all this activity to take place.
This is a project of extreme strategic importance as well, and it is a national level project, and it is a matter of pride that District Ganderbal will be hosting the opening of both these tunnels. And as sir has rightly said, if it happens so well before time, I'm sure we'll all feel rather blessed that Ladakh gets connected to Kashmir Valley with an all year round connectivity. At the same time, the movement of our forces will also be hassle free because of these 2 tunnels, and as well as the tourism potential. And as you can understand, with all these activities, the economic potential of the place will automatically see a fillip, and I'm sure it will greatly be beneficial to the local population.
I would request the DC to answer it. She has been addressing this issue, and I believe locals have been accommodated. And it is our clear instruction to the contractor that they should give the priority to the locals, provided they meet the specialization. This is a skilled work. So if they are able to do it, they are always welcome. I believe DC has also taken an effort on ensuring that the locals get the employment. We are finishing Zedmore Tunnel also before time. So we will like the DC to declare it that next winter the Zedmore.
Permission of MD sir, I would. It's a matter of pride that the escape tunnel of Zedmore Tunnel would be open at least for the strategic movement for this winter itself.
For all activities for tourism, and as also for the residents of Sonmarg who actually vacate and go down during winters.
But it will be a controlled movement.
So they need not vacate Sonmarg in the winters. The district UT administration might plan some activities, and we can support them. So Sonmarg is open from this winter.
موبايل تطبون